boys.
There's someone who's threatening my son.
I think it's
that one, wait. So I need you to trace his number. So, but he's using a unknown number.
No,
let me share it to you right now. I think it's him. Let me check his number. No, he's already there. So I need you to do me a favor. So I need you to keep an eye on her 24/7.
It's a must.
I think that way he's going to be safe.
No problem.
Away. Okay. I trust you, my guy.
Hello, Pelonji.
Hello.
Inside. Scott, so this was also unnecessary. But I just be free. Tell like I'm